Hi, my name's Judy Weekly. I'm currently a sign language interpreter and a teacher of American Sign Language. This is my second year of teaching. This is a picture of my husband. We've been married for almost 9 years. I'm just loving this product, Screenomatic. I'm not familiar with it at all. So what I did was just take and put a bunch of pictures in a file, and I'm just going to scroll through them because I'm not really quite sure how to actually go through move pictures around. I'm sure I'll learn. This is my granddaughter, Lilith. She's just 1 year old now. Let's see here. There's the girls out on the lake. We love camping up to Piseco Lake. This is a great technology to be able to do like a flipped classroom. I could do some signing. Like I said, I'm teaching American Sign Language. It's my second year. For those of you who might have learned it in your younger ages, this is the Alphabet Quick. And here we are out on the boat. This is actually the pool. There's a couple of other grandchildren from Hawaii. And they were up to visit this summer. It was a little cool there in July, so they're dressed like it's winter. And again, oops, let me just go back to that other picture. That's all 6 of the grandkids up to Piseco. It was absolutely wonderful to have everyone together. And there's baby Lilith. And then our next youngest is Colton. And all the kids out on the tube. My cat, Precious. Kind of skipped over her a little quick. She's something else. And there's Lilith again with all her little things at the zoo. All 3 of the grandkids that are here in New York having an ice cream. And my husband out on the jet ski. And this was a little trip we took over the summer up to Enchanted Forest Water Safari. That's in Old Forge, New York. And there's the girls on the... See, these are pictures that I took with my iPhone that are like live on each side. This was like a collage that I did with an Instagram photo. And that's our family that is from Hawaii, the 3 grandkids, our oldest granddaughter, and the 2 boys. And this was a fly-in breakfast that we attended, and the girls got to sit in a helicopter. And just some more views from up there. Oh, Panther Mountain. That was a nice view. Let me just share that. Yes. And that was looking down. Thank you so much.